If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these very plain jars of homemade body butter that I made into these lovely, trendy, beautiful, blingy DIY gifts, keep watching this video. YouTube, so today in this video I'm just going to be embellishing these body butters that I made. I've done this before and I've been making these for gifts. So my nieces just had birthdays recently. One of them is 14 and one of them just turned 11 yesterday or 2 days ago. So I'm just gonna really quickly, because I'm in a hurry, just go throw some planner charms on, some trim around the edge with some quick hold E6000, and then I'm gonna UV resin the top with my lamp and my light. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, you guys. Okay, so first I'm taking some E6000. This is just quick hold. I was just trying it out. I found it at Joann Fabric. And I'm using some of this trim that I cut out. You'll see that I did come up a little bit short. Sometimes that happens. You just cut out a size that's going to fit and fix it. See right there, it came up a little short. So what I'm going to do is just cut a very small piece right in between there. Super easy and simple. You won't even know that happened. So now I'm just working on the second jar. And on this jar, I'm doing the trim, but I made sure that I left enough so that I didn't have to go back in and add that little piece of trim. This is so sparkly and so pretty already. Excuse my mess. I have a lot going on this table here, but I have the sides on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do these both at the same time because like I said, I'm in a hurry. So what you're gonna do is just take your UV resin that you can get from Amazon and you just kind of smear it all over just like this, and you begin to add your big pieces on, and then you can go in with some smaller pieces. And that's okay. So now that I have my UV resin spread on top of the jar, I'm just placing my planner charms, which I do have these available on my website, myroyalradiance.com, and I always have free shipping or some type of coupon code available. And I'm spreading my bigger pieces on. Then I have some really pretty little gems, some acrylic gems, and I'm going to place on some rhinestones and some other little gems. And from here, I'm just gonna add a few rhinestones, maybe a couple pearls. And you know, for filler, I have some clay sprinkles, or you can use a little bit of glitter if you want to. This doesn't take long at all. It's so fun, so cute, so girly and dainty. Okay, here are the clay sprinkles that I'm going to just dazzle on top of there, just so it can just touch the UV resin. And then once it gets under that lamp, it's going to cure and it's going to be locked directly into place. And you just shake off the excess sprinkles, and I got those off of Amazon. Okay, so now I'm going to put this under my lamp. You're going to put it under the lamp. Well, I gotta do it one at a time, and I'll do it under the lamp for at least 2 minutes, but 90 seconds is fine as well. But you really want to make sure it gets a nice cure. Okay, so let these cure as long as you need to. I let mine cure 90 seconds, 90 seconds, so at least 2 minutes, and they're so pretty. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these 4-ounce body butter jars. They're so pretty. They're decorated, they're junky, they're blingy, they're trendy. I love them. I'm sorry, you guys, it just kept rolling away. I don't know what was going on. I was trying to get them to sit still. And if you stay a little longer in this video, I'll show you some that I've made before in the past. I made some around Valentine's Day as gifts, and they turned out so fabulous. These don't take long at all. You can think of so many reasons to make these for someone. I can only imagine. And who doesn't like body butter? Who doesn't like body butter for your heels? You know, when you wear your sandals, your knees, your elbows, you need body butter. So why not have your jar all glammed up and cute like this? I think this would be nice to give to your bridesmaids, nice as a birthday gift. Like again, I gave these to my nieces for their birthday, and I really enjoy making these. Oh, and these are the ones that I made for Valentine's Day in baskets that I made. and they absolutely love them. They love them so much they barely wanted to use it because of how cute the jar is. But I told them, y'all better use this body butter. I took my time, made this body butter. What we'll do is I can just make more, and I can just pipe you up some in piping bags and refill them eventually. But they love these, so I really like these. I hadn't seen these anywhere, just an idea I kind of came up with, and I just thought it was pretty cool. So thanks you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook, and thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye. Website myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. And remember, you can follow me on TikTok or Instagram at Life is a Whole Vibe. Bye-bye.